Namaste everyone. In this video we will learn one acupressure massage technique to improve our eyesight or to improve our vision. Whatever we will learn in this video, it is an acupressure technique which is the safest methodology, which doesn't have any side effect, irrespective of the age of the person and irrespective of the eyes problem the person is going through. They all can practice this. Even a small child can practice this. Even a older person, middle-aged person can also practice it. Whatever we will guide today in this video is a preventive technique for the eyes deterioration, as well as it is a technique where you can improve your vision power. So whether you are wearing the specs or not, please do this practice regularly so that you can ensure that the deterioration or the degeneration process is slowed down and your vision has improved. Please go through the video thoroughly first. Then while second time you are playing the video, please practice with the guidances shown here so that you can ensure the right practices. Please be mindful, be aware what you are doing. Please listen to the instructions properly and accordingly you do it. Your sincerity is going to pay you by improving your vision. So let's start with the sincerity and mindful towards our eyes health. So what to do? First we will trim our nails. There should not be any nails on the fingertips. Clean your hand, sanitize your hand and dry it out. Then you can start this practice. So what we will do? We will use the index finger and the middle finger tip. This tip we will use in this eye massage technique. So we don't need for all the 5 fingers help. We need these 2 fingers help on both the side of the hand, and we will apply the pressure on with these fingers. We will apply it on our eyes. So how to do it? We will take, you can imagine this eye is in a form of shape of 8. The horizontal numerical number 8 you can see. This is a 8 or infinity sign. So we will massage around this infinity sign or 8 symbol sign. So how to do it? So keep your finger and whatever the pressure you will exert, it will be a very mild, very gentle and with a very cautious and very mindful you have to exert the pressure. So let's start. We can see this is a bony structure. This is the eye socket. Inside this bony structure the eyes have been fit. So what we will do? We will start from the corner of the eyes with a pressure, mild pressure, and we will follow the eye socket. So with a baby steps and the equal amount of pressure on the bone area, and with slowly we will progress in a clockwise motion, and this clockwise motion has to be done for 10 times. So I started here. When I am reaching again here, it is called 1 time. So in this way we will count 10 times, and while doing the pressure with a pleasurable way, and we should feel that there is some pressure is building here, we are exerting some pressure, we have to do the inhale and exhale. We will do the conscious inhale. When we are inhaling, our stomach should bloat, and when we are exhaling, our stomach should go in. In this way we complete 10 times of the eyes rotation. Again we will do the 10 times of anti-clockwise rotation around this bony structure of the eye. So in this way we will do the 10 times. Once you finish the 10 times, and please do these practices while you are mindful. Don't do the multiple activity during this eye exercise, because this is the very delicate area you are doing the acupressure. So please be with yourself. Please be with all the awareness, with all the sincerity, and properly following the guidelines which I am sharing here. So do this 10 times anti-clockwise. After that, what we will do? We will rub our palm. We will generate excess heat inside the palm. The time you will feel the heat, what we will do? We will make a cup-like thing like this. It's a hollow structure we will create, and we will keep it before the eyes, and we will keep our palm and fingers as close to each other, and we will open our eyes inside this cup. And you should see there should not be any single light is coming inside any gap of your palm or fingers. Your eyes should be completely exposed to the darkness which is created between the cups or between the palm structure you have created before your eyes. With this way you are generate whatever heat you have generated through your palm, you are giving that heat is absorbed by your eyes, which is an healing technique, and the nerves will get strengthened with this, and the darkness which you are exposing your eyes to the open eyes inside this palm is also a healing modality for the eyes. They are getting the relaxation. After that you can release it. Again we will cover another massage. So now we will cover this around the eyes bone structure. This is the complete bone structure, you can feel it. So again we will take the help of the index and the middle finger. We will start with the corner of the eye. We will go around the eyebrow. This is the bony structure, you can feel it. We are going on the bony structure, and we are pressing with a pleasurable pressure, with mindfulness, with awareness. I am pressing around the eyebrow bone structure, and I am covering it for 10 times. After the 10 times you covered, again you go anti-clockwise for 10 times. In this way, with a pleasurable pressure on the bony structure, you cover it and you complete the 10 times anti-clockwise. After you complete the 10 times anti-clockwise around the eyebrow socket, again we will do the massage of the palm. We will generate heat. You will feel some heat is coming inside the palm. After that you can do the cupping. Keep your fingers and palm close to each other so that complete darkness is before your eyes. Keep your eyes open inside this palm for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After keeping open, after 1 minute or 30 seconds, you open your palm. Again we will do another layer of exercise around the eyes. Now this time with this index finger and middle finger, we will cover the area which is above the eyebrow, and it will go down this bone socket, and in this way we will form the 8 or the infinite area. So let's do it in a clockwise position. We will cover the bindi point, we'll go above the eyebrow, we'll go down, cover the bony structure, go again around near the eye corner, go on the bindi point. Again you do it like this. In this way you will cover it, and again you will do the anti-clockwise way in this way 10 times. Every time we will do the clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. After that we will do the, and you go very slowly, don't make it very fast. Cover the bindi point, and again we will do the massage of the palms. We will generate heat, and we will keep before our eyes. Keep your eyes open inside the palm. Keep complete darkness. A single amount of light should not pass in between your fingers or palm. Keep complete dark. Keep your eyes open for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you open your eyes. Now what we will do? We will do the blinking of the eyes now. So what we will do? We will blink for 10 seconds to 30 seconds. And whatever I am time suggesting, please customize yourself at your end. See your comfort level, at how much sincere time you can give it to your eyes. Accordingly you fix your time, and you can repeat all these things morning, afternoon and evening. After blinking this for 10 seconds to 30 seconds, whatever your duration is, again you will rub your palm, generate heat in between the palm. Again you do the cupping, keep your eyes open, allow the darkness which is a soothing effect for the eyes, nerves, muscles around it, and let's allow the eyes to absorb the heat we have generated through the palm. Then open it. Now what we will do? We will do the squeezing of the eyes. Again we will do the squeezing of the eyes for 30 seconds to 1 minute. So how we will do it? Squeeze, completely tighten around the muscles of the eyes. Gradually, slowly you open it. Squeeze tightly and slowly open your eyes. With this we are helping the circulation around and inside the eyes, and the muscles around the eyes are getting exercised. In this way we will do for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that again we will do the massage of the palm, and we will keep before our eyes to get the soothing effect to the eyes. We will keep our eyes open inside this darkness of our palm covering, and let allow the eyes to get the healing, get the relief, get the rest in between this darkness and the warmth of the palm, and we will release it. This exercise, this set of exercises you can repeat morning, afternoon and evening 3 times a day. If your time doesn't allow, you can do it for twice a day. If twice a day is not possible, then once a day is must. So please practice this, and if there is any doubt to understand, please let us know. And thank you so much for your sincere listening to this video and sincere practice. Look forward to your feedback. Namaskar.